Lellobee!
One, two,
Wahoo!
three,
Wow!
four,
Beep, beep, beep.
five,
Wow!
6,
Whee!
7, 8, 9, 10. One little, two little, three little buses, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses, 10 little buses.
Ah!
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses, 10 little buses.
Hi, I'm Ella. Heidi has hurt her foot, so Sammy the vet is on her way to check her out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys jumping, jumping around. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped their head. Ella called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little monkeys jumping, jumping around. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 tumbled off and bumped their heads. Ella called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
1, 2. 2 little monkeys jumping, jumping around. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped their head. Ella called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
1 little monkey jumping, jumping around. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. They tumbled off and bumped their head. Ella called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
5 little monkeys, let's all go to sleep. 5 little monkeys, here on Lellobee.
Hi, my name's Ella. Today on Lellobee City Farm, we're having a boogie on the boogie barn.
Boogie, boogie off the boo-boo, boogie. Boogie off the boo-boo. You feel much better if you boogie off the boo-boo today. Okay. Heidi does a moonwalk dance. Her moves are smooth, but then by chance she trips and falls. Oh, what to do? Heidi's got a bad boo-boo. Just boogie, boogie off the boo-boo, boogie. Boogie off the boo-boo. You feel much better if you boogie off the boo-boo today. Okay. Pablo spins so very fast. He spins and spins, but will it last? He gets too dizzy, what to do? I feel much better if you boogie out the boo-boo today. Okay, it's Ella's turn to dance around. She does the roly-poly now, but her feet got stuck. Oh, what to do? Ella's got a big boo-boo. Just boogie, boogie out the boo-boo, boogie, boogie out the boo-boo. You feel much better if you boogie out the boo-boo today. Okay, well it's time to dance for everyone. Do the roly-poly, it's so much fun. And if you fall, you know what to do. Boogie off your boo-boo. Hey, just boogie, boogie, boogie off the boo-boo, boogie. Let's boogie, boogie off the boo-boo. You feel much better if you boogie off the boo-boo today. Okay, come on, just boogie. Hey, boogie off the boo-boo, boogie, boogie, boogie off the boo-boo. We boogie off the boo-boo on Lellobee City Farm. All right. Jelly jam, jelly jam, let's make a jar and do a dance. Jelly jam, come on, do the jelly jar jam.
I picked some berries from the farm.
Which berry did you pick, my friend?
It's red.
It's red with a funny green top.
That looks like a strawberry. We're gonna put them all together, mix them up, add a little sugar and a whole lot of love. Jelly jam, let's make a jar and do a dance. Jelly jam, come on, do the jelly jar jam. I found some grapes up on the vine. Which color are the grapes, my friend?
They're purple and really fresh.
Those'll do just fine, fine, fine. We're gonna put them all together, mix them up, add a little sugar and a whole lot of love. Jelly jam, let's make a jar and do a dance. Jelly jam, come on, do the jelly jar jam. Squish, squish, squish the fruit. Mix, mix, mix them two. Call it jam or call it jelly. It's so yummy in my belly. Spread it on your toast. Who can eat the most? Jam is fun to eat. Such a perfect fruity treat. We're gonna put them all together, mix them up, add a little sugar and a whole lot of love. Jelly jam, let's make a jar and do a dance. Jelly jam, come on, do the jelly jar jam. On Lellobee City Farm, we make some tasty jam jars. Jelly jam, we all did the jelly jar jam. Hey everybody, I have a game to play. We're gonna have some fun today. It's time to race, so get in your lanes. Let's get ready for the L-L-Lellogames. Ready? Let's go! What are the plans? What are the plans? If you're gonna get them all, you gotta do it fast. What are the plans? You can do it, you can do it. 3, 2, 1, great job, you got through it. High five!
It's time to race. So get in your lane. Let's get ready for the
L-L-Lellogames. Ready? Let's go! Clear the hay, clear the hay.
Try to do it fast. Get the hay out of the way.
Clear the hay,
You can do it. You can do it.
3, 2, 1,
Great job. You got through it.
high five! It's time to race, so get in your lanes. Let's get ready for the L-L-Lellogames. Ready? Let's go! Pick the apples, pick the apples.
Pick them off the tree. All the apples you can see.
Pick the apples, you can do it, you can do it. 3, 2, 1, great job, you got through it. High five! It's time to race,
So get in your lane.
let's get ready for the L-L-Lellogames. Ready? Let's go! Run!
It's time for lunch. Vegetables are yummy. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Do you like carrots?
No, no, no.
You don't like carrots?
No, no, no. I'm sweet. I'm so healthy.
Vegetables are yummy. Give it a try. You'll see. Do you like carrots?
Yes, yes, yes.
You really like carrots?
Yes, yes, yes.
Do you like cabbage?
No, no, no.
You don't like cabbage?
No, no, no. I'm purple. I crunch. I'm lots of fun to munch.
Vegetables are yummy. Won't you have some for lunch? Do you like cabbage?
Yes, yes, yes.
You really like cabbage?
Yes, yes,
Little one, it's time for lunch. Vegetables are yummy. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Do you like broccoli?
No, no, no.
You don't like broccoli?
No, no, no. I'm tasty. I'm great. I'm so healthy.
Vegetables are yummy. Give it a try. You'll see. Do you like broccoli?
Yes, yes, yes.
You really like broccoli?
Yes, yes, yes.
Do you like potatoes?
No, no, no.
You don't like potatoes?
No, no, no. I'm tasty. I'm sweet. I'm so healthy.
Vegetables are yummy. Give it a try. You'll see. Do you like potatoes?
Yes, yes, yes.
You really like potatoes?
Yes, yes, yes.
Lellobee City Farm, where good things grow.
I got a boo-boo, I got a boo-boo, and it hurts real bad. I got a boo-boo, I gotta tell you, it makes me feel a little sad. Can a friend help me get well, so I can try again? Howdy, partner.
Accidents happen, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Accidents happen, boo-boos too. Get back on the horse and I'll dance with you.
I got a boo-boo, I got a boo-boo, and it hurts real bad. I got a boo-boo, I gotta tell you, it makes me feel a little sad. Can a friend help me get well, so I can try again? There, there, little lady.
Accidents happen, it's okay.
It's okay, it's okay.
Accidents happen, boo-boos too. Get back on the horse and I'll dance with you.
I got a boo-boo, I got a boo-boo, and it hurts real bad. I got a boo-boo, I gotta tell you, it makes me feel a little sad. Can a friend help me get well, so I can try again? Now you're talking, yeehaw!
Accidents happen, it's okay.
It's okay, it's okay.
Accidents happen, boo-boos too. On Lellobee City Farm, where good things grow.
It's Halloween.
It's Halloween!
Such a scary night.
Such a scary night!
What's over there?
What's over there?
In the dark moonlight.
Is that a monster? Yes, yes, yes!
A vampire with sharp teeth. Is that a monster?
No, no, no!
Huh? It's not a monster?
No, no, no!
So I don't need to be afraid. What do I see
What do I see?
on Halloween night? Is that a monster?
Yes, yes, yes!
A ghost floating in the air. Is that a monster?
No, no, no!
Huh? It's not a monster.
No, no, no!
dark moonlight. Is that a monster?
Yes, yes, yes! A mad scientist and a zombie.
Is that a monster?
No, no, no.
It's not a monster.
No, no, no.
So
I don't need to be afraid
on
Lellobee Farm,
Where spooky things grow.
Grandma May has hidden 3 toy dinosaurs around the farm. Rishi, Izzy, and I are going on a dinosaur hunt. Come and play.
here we go. Looking for dinos. Stomp around the farm, searching high and low.
Grandma May hid them all around. Could be in the trees or in the ground.
What's that I
Whoa.
see?
Check it out, check it out.
Could it be? Could it be?
Check it out, check it out.
Dig, dig, dig. What'll we get?
Yay!
Hey, look at that. It's a toy T-Rex.
Dino dance. Do the dino dance.
Do the dino dance.
The dino dance.
Now stomp, stomp.
Stomp, stomp.
I said stomp, stomp.
Stomp, stomp.
Stomp just like the dinos can. Come on, everybody, do the dino dance.
Here we go. Let's find some dinos. Stomp around the farm, searching high and low.
What's that I see?
Check it out, check it out.
Could it be? Could it be?
Check it out,
Yay!
check it out.
Up in the tree, way up high, a pteranodon.
Watch it fly. Dino dance.
Do the dino dance.
The dino dance.
Dino dance.
Now flap, 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 flap. I said flap, 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 just like the dinos can. Come on, everybody, do the dino dance.
One more time. What'll we find?
Searching for dinos, we have to try.
That I see.
Check it out, check it out.
Could it be? Could it be?
Check it out, check it out.
Between the flowers, I see one more. Wow, look at that, a spinosaur. Do the dino dance. Do the dino dance.
The dino dance.
Now roar, roar,
Roar, roar.
I said roar, roar,
Roar, roar.
roar just like the dinos can. Come on, everybody, do the dino dance. Over there, a dino walking this way.
Wait a minute. It's Grandma May.
Do the dino dance.
Do the dino dance.
Yeah, the dino dance.
Yeah, the dino dance.
Now stomp, stomp,
Stomp, stomp.
now flap, 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 flap. Roar, 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 roar. Move just like the dinos can. Come on, everybody, do the dino dance.
Hi, I'm Ella, and it's time for our Harvest Festival here on Lellobee City Farm.
Let's pick some fruit today and some vegetables too.
Put them all in a basket. This is so much fun to do.
Potatoes, carrots, broccoli, and cabbage.
Oh, so many!
Apples, cherries, watermelon.
Oh, we're getting ready for the harvest. Get ready for the harvest. Get ready for the harvest on Lellobee Farm. Yeah!
Let's wash up all the food. Get it ready to eat.
Once it's clean, put it in a crate.
Put the honey in a jar.
Thank you, Bee.
Potatoes, carrots, broccoli, and pumpkins.
Oh, so many!
Apples, cherries, watermelon. Yeah, we're getting ready for the harvest. Get ready for the harvest. Get ready for the harvest on Lellobee Farm.
Come on!
Time to set up a little stand. Tell all your friends to come by.
The Harvest Festival is on today beneath the bright blue sky. Oh, potatoes, carrots, broccoli, and cabbage.
Trick to treat!
Apples, cherries, watermelon. Now it's time to eat at the harvest. Get ready for the harvest. Get ready for the harvest on Lellobee Farm.
Welcome to Lellobee City Farm!
Down by the farm,
Down by the farm,
where the vegetables grow.
where the vegetables grow.
To Lellobee Farm,
To Lellobee Farm,
I love to go.
I love to go.
For when I do,
For when I do,
Grandma May will say,
Grandma May will say,
did you ever see a calf having a bath down by the farm?
down, down by
by the farm. Down by the farm.
Down by the farm.
Where the vegetables grow.
Where the vegetables grow.
To Lellobee Farm.
To Lellobee Farm.
I love to go.
I love to go.
For when I do.
For when I do.
Grandma May will say.
Grandma May will say.
Did you ever see a pig in a purple wig? Down by the farm.
Down by the farm.
Down by the farm.
Where the vegetables grow.
Where the vegetables grow.
To Lellobee Farm.
To Lellobee Farm.
I love to go.
I love to go.
For when I do.
For when I do.
Grandma May will say.
Grandma May will say. Did you ever see a lamb eat all the jam? Down by the farm. Down by the farm.
Down by the farm. Down by the farm.
Where the vegetables grow. Where the vegetables grow.
To Lellobee Farm. To Lellobee Farm.
I love to go. I love to go.
For when I do. For when I do.
Grandma May will say. Grandma May will say. Did you ever see a bee try to water ski? Down by the farm.
Down by the farm.
Down by the farm.
Where the vegetables grow. Where the vegetables grow. To Lellobee Farm.
To Lellobee Farm.
I love to go. I love to go. For when I do.
For when I do.
Grandma May will say. Grandma May will say.
Did you ever see a cat in a cowboy hat? Down by the farm. Well, are you having fun with me? Here in Lellobee Farm. Lellobee City Farm.
Hi, we're decorating the farm for Christmas, but there's so much to do. If only there was someone who could help us.
Gingerbread man, gingerbread man.
He's magic,
gingerbread man. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la.
Gingerbread man is so jolly.
Fa la 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 la.
Hang the lights around the tree.
Fa la 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 la. Gingerbread man, dance with me. Fa la 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 la. Gingerbread man, gingerbread man. He's a magic gingerbread man. Hanging wreaths and Christmas stockings. Fa la 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 la.
Can't believe this cookie's walking.
Fa la 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 la.
Watch him go, he's fast and steady.
Fa la 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 la. Wow, the farm is almost ready. Fa la 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 la.
Yes, he's made of gingerbread. He loves the holidays.
He can decorate the Christmas tree.
And top it with a star that shines so brightly.
Flying round, just watch him go. Fa la 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 la.
Hanging up the mistletoe.
Fa la 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 la. Gingerbread man may be tiny. Fa la 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 la. But he's made the farm so shiny. Fa la 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 la.
Merry Christmas, everyone! It's me, Ella. Today, Rishi and I are Christmas elves. We're delivering presents around the farm. Merry Christmas!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Here we go through the snow while Heidi pulls the sleigh. Race around with gifts for everyone. Time to share our presents, it will be so much fun. Wearing silly hats that jingle as we ride.
Speeding right along with presents at our side.
What a perfect sleigh, we built it all ourselves. It's just the perfect size for two excited happy elves. Here we go. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, yes, it's present time.
Everybody gets a gift unwrapped to see what's inside.
A bell that rings, a ball of string.
A watering can for bee.
Silly earmuffs, apple pie.
It's also Christmassy. Round the farm we go. We made our friends all smile.
Through the fresh white snow, laughing all the while.
Giving gifts to friends is jolly.
them to come to Lellobee City Farm for a party.
Hey Ella, get on the bus, it's Christmas time. Hey Ella, get on the bus, it's Christmas time.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round
All day long, everybody get on the bus, it's Christmas time. The people on the bus, let's wave our arms, wave our arms, wave our arms. The people on the bus, let's wave our arms all day long. Everybody get on the bus, it's Christmas time. Let's sit on the seat and swing our feet, swing our feet, swing our feet. Let's sit on the seat and swing our feet all day long. Everybody get on the bus, it's Christmas time. Come on everybody, let's clap our hands, clap our hands, clap our hands. Come on everybody, let's clap our hands all day long. Everybody get on the bus, it's Christmas time. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Everybody get off the bus, it's Christmas time.
Hey, I'm Ella. Our friend Willie Sheep is coming to the farm. He's gonna make some winter vegetable soup to keep us warm. Yummy!
Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. Gather all the veggies, we'll mix them up, and soon we'll have some soup in a nice warm cup. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup.
Should we use some cabbage?
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's chop, chop, chop.
Yes, yes, yes.
Should we use some carrots?
Yes, yes, yes.
Throw them in the pot.
Yes, yes, yes. Well, we'll stir them all together, and very soon, we'll have some vegetable soup. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. Should we use potatoes? Yes, yes, yes. Let's chop, chop, chop. Yes, yes, yes.
Should we use tomatoes?
Yes, yes, yes.
Throw them in the pot.
Yes, yes, yes. Well, add some salt and pepper, stir it, and soon, we'll have some vegetable soup. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. How about some pumpkin? Yes, yes, yes.
And broccoli.
Yes, yes, yes.
Well, is everybody ready?
Yes, yes, yes.
It's time to eat.
Yes, yes, yes. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. Do-wop, diddy-diddy, vegetable soup. We gathered all the veggies and mixed them up, and now we have some soup in a nice